we're talking about properties, and we want to use the distributive property to simplify and evaluate expressions. So the distributive property, you distribute the number on the outside of the parentheses to every term on the inside of the parentheses. And then we'll talk about some examples to simplify. So here we have the 2 is on the outside of the parentheses. So we distribute, and we get that's equal to 2x plus 8. Here we have the 3 on the outside of the parentheses. So we distribute to the inside, and we get 3x minus 15. Here we have the 6 on the outside. So 6 times 7, that's equal to 42. And 6 times 2, that's equal to 12. And then we can actually do that math. So then we get the answer is 54. We go and we can take a look at number 4. And we have the 3. So here we can go 3 times x is equal to 3x. And 3 times negative 4 is equal to negative 12. Here we have 7's on the outside of the parentheses, so that's the first thing we have to do. So we can write down the 3 plus 7 times x is 7x, and 7 times 6 is 42. Then we can combine like terms here, and we get 7x plus 39. Then we can take a look and say, actually 6, we got to kind of work backwards. So we have 8x and 24. What is a value that we know that goes into both 8 and 24? Well, we can divide both of these by 8. So I can put 8 out front. 8x divided by 8 is just x. So 8x divided by 8, that's equal to x. And 24 divided by 8, that is equal to 3. And we can check that and work backwards if we need to. The next one we can distribute is we can take the 2 times x is 2x, and 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. 6 times x is positive 6x, and 6 times 4 is positive 24. Now we have 2x terms, which is 2x and 6x, which that is going to be equal to 8x. And then we have negative 2 and 24, and that is going to be equal to positive 22. And then the last example here, we have 3 times x, which is 3x, and 3 times negative 4, which is negative 12. And then we have negative 5 times x, which is negative 5x, and negative 5 times 6, which is negative 30. And then we have x and negative 3x and negative 5x, which is negative 2x, and negative 12 and negative 30, which is negative 42.